Hello there, my name is Dr. Andy Knox. I'm one of the partners at Ash Tree Surgery in Carnforth and the lead GP for health and wellbeing around North Lancashire. And I want to talk to you today if you're aged between 40 and 74 and you've never had an NHS Health Check. We have some of the worst heart disease rates in the country in this area, and we want to try and ensure that we do something about it before it becomes more of a problem for you. If you're aged between 40 and 74, you're entitled to a free health check, and we would love for you to book in with one of the nursing teams in your practice to make sure that we measure how your health is, and then we can help coach you to think about, are there lifestyle choices or differences that you could make to improve your health, or have you even reached the stage where medication may be advisable or may be an option for you. So do book in for an NHS Health Check. You can just do it through your practice reception. You don't need an appointment with anyone first. You can just request one. If you've already had one, you probably will have been told when your next one would be due. Now, what we do in a health check is very simple. We weigh you and measure you so we can see what your BMI is, whether you are overweight or underweight or just right for the height that you are. We check how much you're drinking, how much you're smoking, have conversations with you about that. We think about what kind of stuff you're eating, and then we measure your cholesterol, your blood pressure, and your sugar levels. And then we put all of that into a computer and we work out what's your risk of having a heart attack or a stroke in the next 10 years if you do nothing. And then according to what that risk is, we can make different recommendations to you about maybe lifestyle choices and changes that you could make, or as I say, medication that you might want to consider. We know from quite extensive research that by getting on top of conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol early, we can seriously prevent strokes and heart attacks in a big way. That's massive, because having one of those at a young age hugely affects your future health for you personally and for those around you who love you and who care about you. Let's have good conversations about health, book in for a health check, and let us work out together how you can live more healthily so that you can live healthier for longer and enjoy life to the full.